Says Gran Jefe Calculus Nawari outside Donor inside is Nana Bubu then followed by Murabe. Watch me now, back to the leader, Calculus, the leader by about 2 lengths, Gran Jefe in second, Nana Bubu in third, and followed over by Murabe. And watch me now is racing in last, back to the leader, and that's still Calculus. The leader by about 2.5 lengths, Gran Jefe still in second, Nana Bubu in third, Muraben, watch me now, still racing in last, down the back stretch, and it's still Calculus by about 2 lengths, Gran Jefe still in second, Nana Bubu moving up down or inside, and followed by Muraben, watch me now, but Calculus still in front by a length, Nana Bubu now in second, Ari outside, moving up now is Gran Jefe together with Muraben, watch me now, and it's still Calculus, Nana Bubu, Muraben Ari outside, watch me now on the father outside, Calculus, Nana Bubu, Gran Jefe, then followed by Murabe, watch me now, here comes Gran Jefe, Nana Bubu, Murabe Ari outside, moving up now is a Gran Jefe, it's now Murabe by a length and a half. Nana Bubu is running by the Gran Jefe on the outside. It's still Murabe by about 2 lengths. And in second down or inside is Nana Bubu. But it's still Murabe. And finally it's Murabe. Second is Nana Bubu, Gran Jefe, Calculus, and Watch Me Now comes in last.
At ayan, bayang kararista, ating official winner, first run, first win for 2A, Murabe, ridden by PM Cabalejo. At na-scratch po nga yung kakopol nito na si Blue Mind Theory.